What would you rather buy? A 5 megapixel resolution IP camera or an 8 megapixel 4K resolution IP camera? I know you're probably thinking, I will buy the 5 megapixel camera because I don't want to pay double. But guess what? We don't like to pay double either. And just for that, we have a huge surprise for you. Our titanium 4K series IP cameras are half the price of any of our competitors' 5 megapixels IP cameras. Are you surprised? Maybe I'll repeat it again. Our titanium 4K series IP cameras are half the price of any of our competitors' 5 megapixels IP cameras. On top of that, you get 3 years of warranty. So, if you really want to make some serious money, and I don't mean like this, I mean like this. Open an account with us. It's fast, easy, and free. Remember, Eastern CCTV does not sell to the public. You must be an installer, have a business, or reseller's license. Click on the link below to fill out the form, and it's only going to take you less than a minute. So there you have it. Once again, Eastern CCTV breaking the barriers of technology without breaking your wallet. Go ahead, click that like button and share this video. Don't forget to tag any security integrator. I dare you. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel listed below. Do I get to keep this?
Of course. No.